Today, I just opened up this box of the Harbor Freight 7mm Nitrile Heavy-Duty Work Gloves. They seem pretty durable at first. I've tried numerous different ones. I mean, these are a good price. But I figured, why not? Let me try them on. The extra large is a good fit because I vary between a large and an extra large. It feels pretty strong. And well, I'm going to use them to repair this faucet. It has a very slight leak. Okay, well, I'm impressed. What can I say? If you want to see these gloves in action, these are the same gloves I wore the whole time I repaired that sink. No rips, no tears. I mean, I get gloves in some supply houses, they're $20+, and I probably would have shredded it. And instead, I've got gloves on my hands right now. That, well, you know what? I washed them, yes, because I just wanted to see how they came out after all of my repair work. Because, I mean, you can see there's no rips, no tears, nothing. Sink's fixed. So, I mean, I fixed the drain. It was over too much. I had to fix the spindle on the bottom. You can see I tore the whole thing apart. I mean, I was coated in grease and WD-40. And my hands were protected the whole time, and I did not rip them. So I do recommend these gloves if you want to keep your hands clean and you want a durable pair of gloves. I mean, they say heavy duty on the box. It gets my thumbs up because I've had heavy duty gloves. These are supposed to be heavy duty. I've had these pop. They've shredded pretty quickly at times. And well, they're just not for nothing. 20 bucks. Well, I don't know if these were even like 10 bucks. I forgot what I paid for them, but I mean, come on. This is another Harbor Freight win, and great pair of gloves. So if you need gloves, these gloves here, these will take a beating. And I always like to wear gloves because they will shred before my hands shred. Till next time, hit like if you like this video, subscribe if you want to see more.